Hey folks, another warm July day across the valley today with isolated showers popping up this afternoon on the sea breeze, stuff in Willacy County, moving into northern Hidalgo County, and then poof, it's gone. And that's probably about the end of it for today. We don't expect much more, but tomorrow a sea breeze shower could happen again, and it might be a little farther south, but still isolated activity around the valley the next day or two as we watch what's going on in the tropics. Now, satellite again reflects what clouds did form, what showers did form. Got the tops blown out of it by a southerly wind in the upper atmosphere, so they didn't stand much chance. But let's go a little bit wider, and of course we're watching this system on the other side of the Gulf of Mexico, waiting for a new update from the National Hurricane Center, which should be coming in during this newscast at some point. But right now they've got a 40% chance of this system developing the next 5 days, up from 20% yesterday as it moves off to the northwest. Now, this is one of many models we use, and watch what happens with this wave as it moves off to the west-northwest, gets into the central Gulf of Mexico. And again, the thing you look for if you're really looking for tropical development on a model is a bunch of concentric circles. And this suggests that by Thursday morning, we got one circle out there, and those are lines of equal pressure. And the more there are, the stronger the winds are. And you just don't see it getting all that well organized. That's not to say it won't, but the suggestion is that it stays at least a strong tropical wave. It could become more than that. That's a possibility. But then it moves inland Friday into Saturday. Look at the valley. You see spotty showers showing up, and the position of where that wave is and how intense it becomes will determine how much rain we get. In the next half hour, we're going to talk about how a more organized system can actually mean less rain if you're not right into the core than if a disorganized system comes in, because this, stays disorganized on this model, and you see scattered showers around Texas all the way into and through the weekend before things taper off by the middle part of next week. But scattered showers stick around for a while with that. Now, a closer look at the valley the next couple of days, and high-resolution model says tomorrow, a stray sea breeze shower, not much more than that. There's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, kind of like today, spotty showers, but not much more. And the same kind of thing for Thursday of this week. And then Friday, we bump the chances up a little bit as that next system gives us that chance for rain. And as for your weekend, you're looking at 40 and 30 for your probabilities. Again, all depending on the movement of that system. Another system, depression number 7, out in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, has a good chance of becoming a strong tropical storm, but then it runs into some shear by the time you get to the weekend. Likely will start to weaken. If it gets a name, the next name on the list is Gonzalo. Usually we don't get to the 7th name until September the 17th as an average. So again, we're running way ahead of normal. So for tonight, partly cloudy and muggy, low of 77. Tomorrow we're back up to 97. An isolated afternoon shower like today, a possibility. As we look at the next 7 days, I think our best chance for rain will come as we head into the weekend, but even that will depend on the movement of that tropical wave and how well organized it is. If it stays less organized and goes in, say, Corpus Christi, we get a little rain. More organized it becomes, perhaps the less rain we would see. We'll talk more about that and update your forecast coming up in the next half hour.